You will see from the condensation that the bike is very cold because it's well below freezing here at the moment. So just showing it outside. And then show the normal preparation for starting. Both fuel taps on, and then tickle the carbs. I can only do it one-handed as I'm holding the camera, obviously. And then the left-hand carburettor. There you go. Ignition on. Pipes are stone cold, as you can see. Head's stone cold. And with this, the choke must be in the on position, forward. Ignition on. And to the starter button. Takes a while to warm up, obviously. You can see condensation on the clocks and the mirror due to it being very cold. Condensation on the tank as well. I'm just going to turn it off because I'll need both hands to start it again.